Introducing our small box wrapping tool. I make these adorable little resin earrings and we offer them gift wrapped for birthdays and things like that. And this tool makes it easy to hold it in place so we can get a nice tight fit on our wrapping. And it even slides over the top so we can lock it down in place. So I'm going to show you how it works. This piece of paper is literally printed off of my printer and cut to size. I also have a Cricut and I print and cut my labels so that it has our branding on it as well. To start, we're just going to take our paper and make sure that it's centered vertically and horizontally. So see how you just kind of wrap it over and the seam's right down the middle? That's exactly what we want. Once we get the placement right, we're going to slide it into the wrapping tool. And we're going to fold both of the corners down on one side, pinching them together and folding them down the top and slide the holder over to hold in place. Notice the nice tight fit on the sides. We're going to do the same thing on the bottom. We're going to crease one side and we're going to crease the other side, pinching together the sides towards the middle and folding that last flap down, and it holds it in place, making it so easy for us to then get ready to put on our finishing touches. I picked up this adorable iridescent pink ribbon from the Dollar Tree, I think. And I'm just gonna cut a bit here that I think is gonna fit around the entire box. So I popped out the box from the wrapping tool and I'm wrapping the ribbon around the sides. I'm just kind of pinching it and I'm gonna put it back into the holder to make it a little bit easier for me to tie my ribbon on top. Notice we haven't used any glue, we haven't used any tape. No extra materials are really needed than your box, your paper, your ribbon, and any little sticker you're gonna put on. You could use tape instead. So as you can see here, we're just going to tie a ribbon. You have to excuse my ribbon skills. My bow skills are not on point, but it makes it a little bit easier having this tool. So basically we're gonna do a bow, kind of like how you tie your shoes, basically. We'll have two bows on the side. We're gonna pull it tight and trim the ends of our ribbon. And I ship these out in a bubble mailer, and it's so cute because they received their birthday gift already wrapped and super adorable. And next we're going to add our sticker. It says happy birthday with matching pink and blue colors. And it also includes our branding, Janelle and Janae jewelry and accessories. So that way they know where their gift is coming from. Look at how cute that turns out, especially with that iridescent ribbon. You can customize it for any holiday, any gift, any occasion. These are available for purchase on our Janelle and Janae Etsy shop. Thanks for watching.